everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in today's video I wanted to play around with my Modelones gel polishes to do a little bit of pretend one stroke, because it's not really one stroke, but I was inspired by Hayley's Life from Natalie and I wanted to give it a go using some of these colours. Now this is I think it's something like the Summer Candy collection, but it's a really cute little set and the colours inside it are amazing. I managed to rip my box like a turd. I hate it when I rip boxes. Anyway, inside this box you get 6 little, I think they're 6mm colours, and you get a top and a base as well. And you get these little stickers that go on top of your bottles, so you can see what colours are inside. So, just like that. Ta-da! Do you like what I've done there? So you get some really nice colours. So I've got my tips ready, and I am going to use the greeny colour. Now they have got numbers on the side. I think that was, I don't know if that was 8026 or 8025, but they are numbered, and I love this colour. So this is going to be the background colour. I'm only going to do 3 nails because I don't normally upload on a Wednesday, and this was basically me just playing around, but I thought, do you know what, I'm going to record it anyway, and I'm going to explain some things where I went wrong, so that hopefully you guys won't go wrong, or you know how to do it differently to what I did. Don't forget, I'm not trained in one stroke either. I believe Hayley from Natalie is going to be doing a one stroke course online at some point, and I really want to take advantage of that one because she makes it look so easy. So I'm gonna save up my pennies. Okay, so I've applied 1 coat of this colour to 3 of the nails. Now this cures in an LED lamp for 30 seconds. If you've got a UV lamp, give it a couple of minutes. I'm now going to go over with a 2nd coat. I mean, it covered really nicely, so you may not actually need 2 coats, but I always like to do 2 coats just because. Okay, then pop that again in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So I've got some of their solid cream gel. This is the white one, and I'm using this Miss You one stroke brush. Now I don't like this one. I think it's a bit too big for me, but Natalie do smaller ones, but at the moment their websites, they're taking orders, but they're not shipping obviously because of the coronavirus. So I want to get some of their one stroke brushes at some point. This little beauty in this pot is one of the platinum gel glitters. I think it was 01. And I'm going to use that. And I like to use this gel brush that's on the end of it's like a poly gel brush, aqua gel brush. I'm just going to put a very tiny bit of this glitter gel down not the center, but it's going from one corner to the other. I don't want to put masses on, just like a little scattering of sparkle. There we go. You don't really want to get masses on your brush, just a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like that, and then I will pop that into the LED lamp. I do cure it for 30 seconds, I think. I don't know, it might be 60, but I think it's probably 30. Anyway, I'm putting 4 of the other colours from the Summer Candy collection on my palette. Now, where I've gone wrong already is gel polishes are not great for one stroke. This solid cream gel might be okay with another solid cream gel because they are quite pigmented, but gel polishes are not pigmented enough. Well, these ones aren't anyway. So what I do is I dip one corner into the white and then the other corner into the colour, and then I'm going to use the palette to blend the colours. You can already see that white is so much more pigmented than the purple, the lilac. So that is where I've gone wrong, first off. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to try and do, I keep it really simple when I do, I'm doing bunny ears now when I do one stroke, because I'm not very good at one stroke. So I just do the most simplest sort of petal and I'm doing the flowers so that they're kind of half on and half off the nail. Now the good thing about gel is that, unlike the acrylic paint that you can do one stroke with, it's not going to dry, it's not going to do anything until you put it in the lamp and cure it. So I'm just going to do 2 and a bit petals. I can only just get like a little one on the end there, and you can see the purple isn't really, it's not really doing a lot, is it? So I've cured it in the lamp, and I'm going to go over it again, because I think if you just give it 2 coats, again, it just really deepens that colour. So you can see the purple a little bit. I'm not like, the gel paints would work. Gel paints will work for this, but regular old gel polish is probably not your best bet. Okay. Then I had an idea. I do get them every now and then. I thought, why don't I use this white gel and mix a little bit into all the other colours? And I thought then it would be a little bit more pigmented. So I'm going to mix that in with all 4 of the colours that I've got, apart from, I don't know if I do the purple in the end. So I'm going to try the pink now. And I decided to do the different fingernail, different tip. And I still think I have the same trouble of my recording box is in the way again, so I can't see quite what I'm doing. And I do go out of shot a bit on this, which annoys me, because it really gets on my nerves when I do this. It's because I don't really look what I'm doing. Well, I do, I just don't look through the camera, you know. So again, I'm doing those really simple petals, and I mean that worked a bit better. It's got a T in it. 2 coats. This is where I went out of shot, I think. No, it's not. I can just see the, I think it was here. Yeah. Yes, I cut that bit out. But I'm gonna do another, I don't even know what colour I'm using. See, this stupid recording box is in the way of my, I don't even know if I'm using the blue or the green or what I'm doing. Was it blue? Did I have blue and green? I didn't have green, did I? I had blue and yellow. There we go. So, right, I've done them all now. And I'm going to use the colour that I mixed to add some little dots to the centre of the flower. Now, I should have done it with the, I should have put a blob of the original colour, not the mixed colour, because that would have been a bit darker. But I did put the mixed colour, unfortunately. And this one you can barely see it, so it's almost like I may as well not have bothered doing it. But so this is where I'm making all the mistakes, so you don't have to. I know I'm too kind. Anyway, that is them finished almost. We're going to use the top it off top coat that you get in that little set, that little collection. So we're just going to go over now with the top coat. This is going to seal everything in. Don't forget, I'm going to leave links to everything in the description box below, so you can go straight to them. And I've got a code Natalie 00 if you want to get 10% off. So once you have finished top coating, I put rather a lot on that other nail, so I thought I'd go into the centre nail. Yeah, so once you finish top coating, pop them in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds, and then I will show you what they look like. There they are. I'm going to do a little bit of a better view in my little lighting box, but I hope you like this video. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. I don't normally upload on a Wednesday, but I thought we'd, as everyone's stuck at home, I thought I'd make the most of it. So yeah, I hope you like them. I hope you're all okay and surviving isolation, and I'll see you all tomorrow with another set.